How to transfer buying power to bank Robinhood. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can transfer buying power to bank. Now, if you have buying power in your Robinhood account and you want to transfer some leftovers to your bank account, you might notice that when you go to the transfer to your bank option, you don't see the buying power as available. This is because in order to properly transfer the buying power you have left, you need to wait at bare minimum 2 or 3 days. After a couple of days, if the stock sells, the buying power you have will be transferred into withdrawable cash. Afterwards, you can just follow through the usual procedure of going to your account page. For that, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your account page, then select the transfers and transfer to your bank option where you will see the withdrawable amount. So you just want to wait a couple of working days and automatically, as long as you don't mess with the buying power you have, it will transfer itself into withdrawable cash. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.